In this video, we are going to see how we can reconcile the final opening trial balance before continuing further with the day-to-day entries. So as you can see that we have put all the ledgers along with the opening balances. We have also updated the customers, vendors and inventory along with their opening balances. That means now we are live on the system, and from the next video, we will start working on our day-to-day transactions. That means now we have fully implemented Sage, and we will continue to enter all the day-to-day transactions, whether it's sales invoice, purchase invoice, some kind of adjustments, some kind of journal entries. All of the examples are there. But before that, we need to make sure that our trial balance at the opening point should be at this position, and debit and credit should be same. So from Sage, just click on the reports and click on journal ledger. And here in the journal ledger, we will extract the journal ledger trial balance. Just click here. And if you have already entered some day-to-day transactions as well, even then you can extract the opening trial balance. Right now, it's just showing as of the current date or current month. But let's say that you have entered some of the transaction and now we want to extract the opening trial balance. It's very simple. Just go to the options and here we will set it to the specific date, and under here we will mention it 1st of January and click OK. So that way you can get the opening trial balance. So this is 4762730 and 4762730, exactly matching this one. Now we can confirm it. And from the next video, we will start working on our day-to-day transaction. So just try it by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.